And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today there's another surprise that I want to show you, and this is the AirPods 4. Yes, the 4th generation. Here we go. The 3rd generation. What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and this is the 4th generation AirPods. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you're notified when the students to comment tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at untitled.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. Basically, just help you guys out and to know where to find it. So there you go. So basically, this comes with a lightning cable just like that. And this is the AirPods itself. So let's open this up. As you can see, this is a different look. The leaked AirPods are obviously correct. There you go. Let's open this up and show you what we got. And there you go. These are the AirPods. There you go. Boom. How do you guys like that? Yeah. Yep. Now we have 3 AirPods right here, and this is the AirPods Pro right here, the AirPods 2nd generation, and the AirPods 3. So basically right here, just a normal, really old AirPods right here, very dirty. The style of this is very different, with the long neck right there, very nice. The size of this compared to the new AirPods 3, as you could see there you go. As you could see, it's about the same thickness. The size top there like that. What do you guys think of that? It's about the same, it's just now it's more horizontal, right? It's the horizontal version of it, I guess. There you go. And then compared to the AirPods Pros, this is a smaller case for sure. There you go, very nice. Now let's compare the heads of the AirPods right here. AirPods 3 right there. As you can see, it's a shorter body right there, very nice. It's kind of similar to the AirPods Pro right there compared. There you go. Yeah, it's very close to it. It just doesn't have the noise cancelling tip. Now let's test this out and put this on our ears, see how well they are. Oh, as I drop it, very nice. Yeah, there you go. It kind of has a design of the AirPods Pros. Now let's go to our phone, go to settings, and go to Bluetooth right here. There you go. And as you can see, we've connected. As you can see up here, it does show the battery up there of the AirPods. Very nice. And then let's go ahead and play some music and test this out. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, they're pretty good. One thing I would notice is it's not noise cancelling. Let's put it down onto 50% here. It's pretty good. Yeah, I could definitely, it's almost like it's actually noise cancelling here. So as you can see, it has spatial audio and noise control. Let's put our so I guess it does have noise cancelling. Let's put that on transparency, or maybe noise cancellation right here. Yeah, so it does work. It has noise cancellation. That's pretty good. It also has spatial audio on and off right there. Very nice. And at the same time, if you want to AirPlay this, you can also share audio for other AirPods. It has to be an AirPods Pro or newer. So that's pretty good. This is still on beta, of course. That's why it's called AirPods Pro. But once the update on these AirPods comes, it'll just be called AirPods. So that's pretty good. Let's try out the transparency mode here now. We get a beep on there and saying that we are in transparency mode now. And yeah, pretty good. If you go to settings As you can see here, you could change it to Siri on the left, or maybe turn off noise cancelling as well. You could press and hold AirPods. You can also double tap it and stuff like that, the same as the old AirPods. Like I said, there's the spatial audio. And yeah, that's it. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on the new AirPods 3. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and like button. And yeah, of course, this is the fake ones, but it is pretty cool. If you click on the link below, you will see that it's the fake AirPods, but we were able to get the look of the new AirPods 3. Very nice. So if you want to get one of these before the AirPods 3 comes out, then you'll be able to do that by clicking the link down below. That's it for today, guys. Have a good one. Peace.